Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today's video I'm going to review Olight i1R2 EOS. This little tiny flashlight surprisingly can produce 150 lumens and it is considered very bright for its size. Well done Olight. Let us see what's inside the box. To those who have not subscribed me, please click subscribe button and also the bell button so that you won't miss out my new video in future. After we open the box, we have a user manual, and the maximum brightness is 150 lumens for 15 minutes and the low is 5 lumens for 6 hours, and it's about 40 meter throw and 400 CD, waterproof, and also the size. And the second page is charging indicator and also micro USB port. Okay, the rest is the language. Okay, this is the micro USB with Olight brand. So we can charge using power bank or any charger, so it is very convenient. This tiny flashlight comes with built-in battery. When we want to charge, we just unscrew it and there is a micro USB charging port. It has a spring. This is the charging port. To switch on, we just need to rotate clockwise like this. This is the indication: low, high, and off. When we rotate clockwise, it will on, and then low, and then after that it is high mode. This is now low, 5 lumens. It is very bright also. And then the second is 150 lumens, and it is the brightest mode for this little tiny flashlight. Five lumens and 150 lumens. If I compare with the double A battery, this is a double A battery. If I compare the size, the height, shorter than double A battery, and then the diameter almost the same, and shorter, slightly shorter than double A battery. With this size, we can have a very bright tiny keychain size flashlight, which is very convenient for us to bring it anywhere. After this, I will test this flashlight in a dark place for a better review. Okay, this is the test at the lowest mode, 5 lumens, as you can see. 5 lumens. For distance about 5 meters, we can see, still we can see very clear around 5 meters. This around 3 meters. The tree there is around 6 meters. We still can see the tree. This around 3 meters. Okay, we'll test at the highest mode. Highest mode 150 lumens. In the user manual written 40 meters. The tree is around 8 meters to 10 meters. We can still see. And then as you can see the dust. This one can last, the battery can last for 15 minutes for the highest mode. As you can see the tree around 7 to 8 meters. Surprisingly, this keychain flashlight is very bright for its size. The goal there is around 50 meters, 40 to 50 meters. The goal, you can see. It's amazing. As you can see, very clear, very bright. Okay, that's all from me. If you like this video or you think this video is useful, don't forget to click the like button, and also don't forget to subscribe my channel, and also don't forget to share this video. Thank you.